Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2007. The given question is consider the following hash diagram. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so this is the first hash diagram. Okay, this is the second hash diagram. My bad, this line is not there. This is the third hash diagram. This is the fourth hash diagram. Okay, so now the question is we need to find which of the following is a lattice, guys. Okay, so by observation I can say one of this is a compulsory lattice, guys. So if you observe one carefully, so it is a proper lattice, right? So if you try to find for these two, you will get this as the upper value, for these two lower value, for these two this will be thing, this for these two this will be the thing. So in that way, anywhere you check, you are going to get a lattice for this thing, guys. And this is an example which we have solved in our questions also, in our classwork also, right? Yes. So with that understanding, I think we can eliminate two options directly from here, right? Yes. Okay, similarly when it comes to this and this, so both of these two guys are having some problems in them, guys. Okay, and one more thing is the fourth guy is almost similar, right? So basically if you do for these two, you will get this. If you do for these two, you will get the top as this. Guys, I'm using the top and bottom words because the words will be a bit confusing, right? So if you want the exact words, so we know meet, right? So meet will be represented in this symbol, so meet will be in the downwards. Okay, similarly the other one is a joint will be represented in this way, and you will search for top. So for these two, the joint is this. For these two, the joint is this. For these two, the meet is this. For these two, the meet is this. So for any point I am taking, I am getting a proper meet and everything. So with that conclusion, I can say that 4 is also a lattice. Okay, and when it comes to second, so second is having a slight problem, guys. So when it comes to the lower part, that is nothing but meet. So here also it could be meet, here also it could be meet. So there is a huge confusion here. So with that simple understanding, you can eliminate this, guys. Okay, so to be clear, it is having two different meets, or you can say it's not even having any meet, guys. Okay, because it's not having a single meet. Okay, yes. So let us continue with this option now. Okay, so when it comes to this option, in this option, these two nodes, try finding meet, guys, or try finding joint. So in this situation, so if this arrow comes here, so this will be there, or else there is one more option. So if you go in this way, you will find here also. So there again, there are two options. So with that understanding, you can eliminate that option also. So the final result will be A. Got it? Yes, it's a quite easy question only, and these 4 diagrams we have already discussed in our classes, guys. Okay, yes, so that's the reason why I have done it in a bit faster way, because most of the students already remember these diagrams, guys, to be clear, right? Yes, so I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.